are here?
Shut up, I don't know.
You always act like that. You know me? May, gamot na ano yan? Mama. Sorry guys, so drunk right now. He doesn't even want to talk to each one of us.
Oh, let's go guys, we're just wasting our time here.
Oh, okay. Bye. Uming muna. Bye guys. Yeah, Alvin, we're still here.
We need to talk.
Why? We need to talk.
You're hurting yourself.
No, I'm not.
You're like Nanny. You're babysitting him.
No. Did you see his face when Karen died?
I don't
You don't understand.
Why did you just tell your feelings about him?
I know, but I can't. I'm scared.
Scared? I want you, Megs. I'm right here when you need help. Just call me.
Come in. Water. Where's Megan? Hi, Kim. Hi. How are you? I'm okay. When did you came?
Oh, just a Saturday.
Oh wait. What? What's the news?
The news is Mom wants you to study with us in America. That's the sudden reason why I came home here in Philippines.
Oh.
So, but it's up to you if you want to came or to join us or not.
But
Oh, I know that's fake. You don't want.
I don't know.
Okay, I understand. Oh, I get. I must go already. I just sent the news here. I will go to some place with my friend.
Okay, okay. Actually, yeah.
How's Gemini?
I know it's fine. Meet me here. Master!
Don't hurt yourself.
No, I'm not. I'm just his friend.
I know about your feelings for Gemini.
It's not true. It's all lies. You don't have to believe it.
Don't make me fool.
No, I'm not.
You know,
What?
I like you.
Come on, stop it.
Never mind. Bye.
Hey.
Geminique! Geminique! Oh my God! Geminique!
Where?
What are you doing?
Following Karen.
No! Come! Oh my God, you don't understand. I have feelings for you and you don't know.
Hey, let's take a picture.
Atatu! Tasha Mike! There! Okay, that's the last one. Come on.
Thank you. Where's my throat? I don't know, Nick. There!
Hey, Meg.
Come in. Why?
Are you sure you're going to America na?
Sad to say, but I have to.
Where's Jim?
I know, I don't know, but he told me that he's on his appointment.
Hey, Meg.
Hi, girl.
I think I have to go.
But wait!
I'm sorry.
No, you didn't have to say sorry. So,
But where are you going?
it's none of your business. I packed my belongings and I have to go. imo ko.
Wait lang.
Eh, dali na. Baka may ano sa akin.
Wait lang, Len.
Eh, ang
Ito
dami
na,
na
ito na, ito
camera.
na.
Hindi, yung ano.
Ito. Ah, wala. Wala.
Bakit wala?
Eh, hindi ko alam eh. Ano ba?
Yung boyfriend mo.
Bakit? Wala nga ako. Iba eh.
Oh, hindi wala. Loko na nga.
Hi, I'm Lloydie. I'm cool, I'm strong, but when it comes to love, I don't know. I just love her. I just let her go. It really hurts.
I'm Angie. Me, Shelly, and Cherry were very best friends since grade school. I don't love socializing with other people, but I love them. I still love them.
Hey, I'm RJ. In this group, I'm the serious one, and I'm the most brave. I'm used to it. But when it comes to prank, you can count on me.
Hi, I'm Kia. We're known as amigos in our campus. I'm Antoinette. We're just a name because that's the only way to be close with them. Hey, I'm Eka. Well, I'm the lesbian, but not really. I'm just pretending to be like this just for
Hi, I'm Arden. I'm happy to be part of this group.
Hi guys, I'm Michelle, sister of George. George is the sweetest thing I ever had. My friends working abroad for a business, and I was the only one who was left here to manage our business here, and that was George's school. I love my brother so much, and I don't want to lose him. But sadly, I knew that I have a serious health condition, and I only have few days left. I love my brother so much. I know he can go on alone here. And I don't want to tell him because he's too young to have a problem. I love him so much. So I just want to say, George, take care. Your sister loves you so much.
I'm Ker. I'm the gentleman in our group. I respect girls so much, and I don't know how I fell in love with her or her.
I'm George. I don't know why, I don't know what, but I know she changed my life.
Hi, I'm Cherry. I lost my virginity when I was 17 years old. Doc, how's my mom?
She's in a critical condition.
What? Can you do anything?
I can't do anything but it will cost lots of money.
How much?
100,000. Can I give you now?
Hey, go. What's new, Doc?
What do you feel?
Nothing's new.
I'm sorry, but I have a bad news for you. There's no cure.
I don't want to lose my mom. Help me.
Sup, bro?
do that?
Hey George, I need to talk to you. I agree on your condition, but
What's this?
when I was 7 years old, I made that. Just agree with it, bro. It's a big deal. Big deal.
Guys, meet my boys. Yeah. Arjen. Vicjan. And Eka.
What are we doing here?
Hey, sup? You got it. Well, my mom told me to hire you. So, congrats.
Oh my God, Frankie, seriously? Hey, let's get down. Do whatever you want. We're done.